Hi guys, Mark here at Blueglow Electronics. A special little treat for you today, just a little teaser video. What you're getting is a bird's eye view from our chair in our listening room down in our audio barn we spent quite a few years restoring. Look, at least from my perspective, there are quite a few pieces of what I would consider vintage in-game audio gear in this room. Some of this gear rolls in and out of here as we're wanting to try and listen to different things. Other pieces in here are permanent fixtures of this room. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the room itself, the acoustic treatment we did in this room, the pieces of vintage audio in this gear, go down below, like us, subscribe, tell us what you want to see more of. We're going to be making lots of videos on this room and the process we went through to get to where we are. I'm going to kick my feet back and listen to some wonderful music. I'll be seeing you guys again soon.